open
I think it's
it.
from Dee Dee and Grampy.
May I open it?
Yeah.
Let me open it.
Isn't it?
Look at all the stuff you're getting for your birthday, Noah.
Hold on, let me finish opening it. What is
I'm gonna open
that?
this. It's a cash register.
A cash register?
Let me open this. Let me open it.
Yeah, we're gonna open it. It's in a box right now.
Ooh,
That's from Dee Dee and Grampy. What do you say?
thank you.
What do you say, Noah?
Thank you. Oh, buttons.
Buttons. It's going to be so fun to play with. Buttons.
Can we play with it tonight?
Let's open